Connecting AliExpress with DSers, it's a little bit complicated, and if you want to fulfill orders with AliExpress, it's a little bit more complicated. But with this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do this in a very easy way. First of all, what we're going to do is to install the DSers plugin into the actual element of your online store. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to be using Shopify, because Shopify is an amazing place to start an online store. You have an actual great deal if you click into the link down below that I'm going to be sending you. So today what I'm going to be doing here is to add products from AliExpress and send those products directly into DSers. Once I send the products from AliExpress into Shopify, I wanted to make the fulfillment of the orders. I want the fulfillment to be done automatically. So to get started, first of all, I need to install the DSers plugin. So go directly into the online store that you have. Focus into the applications, the marketplace where you can install applications, and here just type DSers. Once you hit into DSers, just make the installation process in a very easy way. Then it's going to be asking you to, of course, select the platform where you want to link to your store. And lastly, once you create an actual account here in DSers.com, it's going to be asking you to link your AliExpress account in order to make the connection. So it's going to be really important, guys, that you have an actual AliExpress account as well as a DSers account. So now that I have access to my Shopify, DSers, and AliExpress, let's get here into LinkedIn authorized to AliExpress. I hit now into logged in, and this is going to be asking you to log into AliExpress. Once you have access to it, what you want to do is to import products from AliExpress. So usually what we do is to go into AliExpress and we find out just one product. Let's go directly here. Let's see, for example, that I wanted to add this wireless mouse. So I click in it from AliExpress. So what you can do is to go here into the product, to save an actual image. I go for save and I go back here inside my DSers and I upload an image to search. And automatically it's going to be showing me products that are like or related from AliExpress. So here is just one hood boot. So once you find one product which you'd like to add directly into the store, choose it and hit now into add. So as you can see, we have different prices, we have different listing. So I'm going to choose the product I would like to list. So I choose this option that says add to my products. If you focus into the left part that says my products, you should see that there are all the products you just added directly from DSers or whatever dropshipper supplier that you use that is connected with AliExpress. So once you choose the product, I'm going to just enable this and I choose the option that says list. This one should be sending you directly into the manual listing. So here into the store selection, I make sure that here is my Shopify store element already been added. So for that, I'm going to go here into my Shopify. Into the upper side, I have here this code ending with 81. So back here inside this element, this one is ending with 81. So that's okay. The bundle should be ourselves. The title, you can change the title if you want to. And the collection should be added into month, for example. And I have the variant pricing. If you don't know how to get charged for this, just type the recommended listing price and you have an actual price by default. After that, let's go now into list now, and your product should be added in no time directly into your actual store. So lastly, what you wanted to do is to receive orders into DSers. So once your product are imported and settings configured, the orders placed into your Shopify store, in this case here, should be appearing now into DSers. So I have here my products now been added from AliExpress using DSers. And as you can see here it is. When somebody purchases an order, it's going to be appearing here into orders, and automatically this order should be sent here inside the actual DSers. So go here into the left part that says orders. I'm going to close this. As you can see, it says orders, store orders. Here it should be appearing in actual order from the actual Shopify. So what you need to do is to fulfill the order automatically. So you just choose the option that says sync store orders and choose only the store that you are selecting. In this case, in my case, ending with 81, sync by time and sync now. So I go here from start date, for example, here to the day, and go for sync now. So your order should be added here. So the last thing what you want to do is to just make sure that the order with the customer shipping information should be added there. So as you can see into the upper side, you can see that we have now here order picked, awaiting payment, process dispatched, and whatever. So automatically just hit into the option that says sync order, and the order should be added automatically. So that means the fulfillment of the status here. If I click here into fulfillment status, here you can see what is going to be appearing in your order. For example, if this one has been shipped, this one has been ordered, the process, dispatched, en route, arrived, or out of delivery. All of this information to be updated and automatically added directly into the order connected of the Shopify. So that's going to be really important when you make sure that you have the authorization of the Shopify store inside the DSers. So lastly, guys, what you want to do is just review and optimize. So regularly review your order fulfillment process to identify areas of improvement, optimize your product selection. You can change the shipping method, you can change the automated settings to ensure smooth operation and happy customers. So guys, it's a really easy tutorial of how you can automatically fulfill orders with DSers and AliExpress using Shopify. You can do this with a lot of other online stores, but make sure that you are using an actual DSers or another supplier that comes with AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.